Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy lollipops. Prepare molds, measure gelatin and juice, and line a tray for cooling so you can work smoothly and safely. Start by blooming gelatin in cold juice, then gently heat and stir until fully dissolved. Pour carefully into molds, insert sticks if needed, and chill until set. I'll guide you through tips to avoid bubbles and get clear, chewy gummies. Gather ingredients and tools so the process stays calm and efficient. Measure gelatin and liquids precisely, because ratios control chewiness and firmness. Use fruit juice or juice concentrate for flavor, and add sweetener to taste if the juice is tart. Have silicone molds and sticks ready, and keep a candy thermometer nearby to monitor temperature. This preparation makes each step smoother and reduces the risk of mistakes while cooking. Follow clear steps for reliable results and a stress-free experience. Bloom gelatin in cold juice, then warm the mixture gently while stirring until it reaches the right temperature and the gelatin dissolves. Avoid boiling to keep clarity and texture. Pour slowly into molds to reduce bubbles, place sticks carefully, and refrigerate until firm. I'll share quick tips on demolding and storing so your gummy lollipops stay fresh and portable for snacks or gifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.